Korea's rivers and lakes are becoming clear. The water we drink is becoming cleaner. Clear and clean water, healthy future. K-Eco will keep water safe and clean by the Water Quality Monitoring System. We are introducing the Water Quality Monitoring System of Korea. In March 1991, 30 tons of phenol spilled around the Nakdong River. Because of this accident, residents of this area were filled with anger, and the people concerned were arrested and fired. A month later, 2 tons of phenol spilled again. This was called a phenol shock accident. The victims were 1,958 people, and 8 pregnant women had miscarriages. Taking this opportunity, water environmental issues were increasing as a national concern. The Water Quality Monitoring System was constructed through the improved policy of water quality in 1995. The National Water Quality Monitoring System is operated in accordance with the Water Environment Conservation Act. After the phenol spill accident in 1991, 20 monitoring stations were installed from 1995 to 1999 through the preparation of countermeasures for improvement of water quality management. And in 2000, relevant businesses were transferred to K-Eco from the National Institute of Environmental Research for Efficient Management. In 2007, K-Eco implemented an early alarm system for preventing water pollution. Since 2013, K-Eco has been sharing water quality data with the public by a real-time water quality information system. Currently, a total of 70 water quality monitoring systems are installed across the country, taking responsibility for the safety of the people. The water quality monitoring systems are closely organized with 5 major institutions. The Ministry of Environment handles everything about operation and policy, and the National Institute of Environmental Research is in charge of managing the real-time water quality information system and consulting about installation and operation. The 4 major rivers Water Environment Research Institute verifies the data on measurement results, and the local environment agency supervises the maintenance of the monitoring stations. Then, what is K-Eco's role? K-Eco produces and manages real-time water quality data through the entire process from installation to the operation and management of the water quality monitoring system. The Water Quality Monitoring System is installed across the country, and there are 23 stations in Han River, 13 stations in Kum River, 24 in Nakdong River, and 10 in Yongsan River, respectively. Each monitoring station monitors and measures 5 items in common, such as water temperature, hydrogen exponent, dissolved oxygen, electrical conductivity, and total organic carbon. And 23 more items, including biomonitor, turbidity, and etc., are measured selectively according to the purpose and location of the installation. Then, how does the water quality monitoring system get constructed and managed? The Operating and Managing Committee of Water Environment Monitoring System determines the construction, shutdown, relocation of monitoring stations. Then, we construct the stations through the design and relevant authorities' approval. Also, water sampling facilities are installed to allow river water to flow into the monitoring stations, and there are various types depending on the surrounding environment of the station, such as a bridge type that is installed on the existing bridge, a riverside type that installs separate walkway along rivers and streams, and barge type. Finally, The monitoring equipment is installed inside of the monitoring station in order to measure the common items and the installation purpose-based selected items. For the maintenance of the monitoring system and measuring devices installed, each regional headquarters of K-ECO is in charge of operation and management. Routine inspection is performed on a weekly basis. The inspection includes checking water sampling equipment, replacing the sample, etc., and a monthly check including a standard material test. And the measuring device is checked when data errors occur or the warning system is alarmed. In addition, K-ECO regularly performs the quality control in order to assure the quality of data collected from the monitoring system by preparing quality assurance business plans annually. The standard substance test and calibration of monitoring equipment are being performed on a monthly basis, and the quality assessment for calculation of accuracy and precision, and the relative accuracy test on site for comparison of laboratory analysis data every half year. Also, we are participating in the international proficiency testing and performing quality inspection in accordance with law every year in order to assure international reliability. Let's take a look at the operation system that utilizes the data produced through the installation and operation of the water quality monitoring system. Data produced from the monitoring stations are collected in real time and are transmitted to the operating system through the Internet. They are stored and managed in the operating system, and an alert message is sent to the related institutions and operating personnel if exceeded the water pollution alarm criteria. Through the operation system installed, an early alarm system is operated to prevent water pollution accidents. If warning criteria is exceeded, a warning message is sent to the related institutions and the person in charge of the station using a mobile message. As soon as the message is sent, the monitoring station personnel immediately goes to the site to check contamination and the condition of the measuring equipment. When an alarm is generated and it is judged to be actual pollution, notification to the competent district environmental office of the relevant basin is requested. And to identify the cause of pollution, the environmental office is requested to analyze the quality of river water collected by an automatic water sampler. In addition, when the issuance of an alarm is requested by K-ECO, the district environmental office of the relevant basin raises and spreads the alarm quickly to related institutions and implements water intake suspension measures, etc., in the intake purification plant, and, to prevent the spread of pollution, performs water pollution control using an oil fence or absorbent. All status generated from the water quality monitoring system, such as operation status of monitoring station, alarm generation status, standard excess status, and etc., can be checked in real time from the data management system, which collects and manages the transmitted data. Also, the data management system can play various roles, including analyzing data trend at the relevant location and providing data to the related institutions and etc. through measurement data inquiry. What operational results have been achieved through the water quality monitoring system? Every year, K-ECO maintains a high level of operation through the systematic operation and management of the water quality monitoring system and improvement of the facilities such as aged monitoring stations, water collection facilities, measuring equipment, and etc. in a timely manner. K-Eco has been continuously achieving the best grade in the international proficiency test that the most organizations producing water quality data participate in worldwide in order to ensure international reliability of water quality data. In the past, large-scale water pollution accidents were caused by the illegal discharge of pollutants and damaged the drinking water, such as the suspension of water supply, etc. But since the implementation of the early warning system in 2007, we have been preventing accidents in advance by monitoring major rivers and lakes in real time, so that such large-scale water pollution accidents do not occur. In addition, K-Eco has been contributing to the realization of a society that satisfies the people's right to know and has a safe water environment by releasing real-time water quality data to the public since 2013. To make it easier to understand the water quality condition of the river, a total of 9 public items are expressed by converting them into a single water quality index. Finally, what is the development direction of the water pollution monitoring area planned by K-Eco? Currently, the National Water Quality Monitoring System is installed and operated in the main rivers. However, most water pollution accidents occur in tributaries where the pollution source is located. Therefore, in order to rapidly monitor water pollution, close monitoring of the source of contamination is required, and a dense water quality monitoring system that can identify the cause by comparing and analyzing the upstream and downstream water quality should be built. To do that, K-Eco verified the feasibility of a tributary monitoring system with a small monitoring system as a pilot project. Since the measurement items of a small monitoring system can be selected and measure a variety of items, including prerequisite items, water quality monitoring fit to the characteristics of each tributary is possible. In the future, we are planning to establish a main river tributary integrated monitoring system by building multifunctional measurement stations by basin, which controls the water quality monitoring station and the small monitoring stations. In addition, tributary monitoring will be promoted with the participation of local residents to create jobs for the area, and we will prepare optimal water quality monitoring measures by sharing and discussing them with related institutions. A safe water environment without concerns about water pollution. The precious promise with our nation to keep our water clean. The Ministry of Environment, K-Eco, and the National Water Quality Monitoring System will lead them.